Hello, my name is Kym Maitland-Smith. I'm the founder of Soul Sierra, the wellness center in Cebu, and the local fashion brand consciously created in Cebu called Salty. I'm here to answer a few questions today, and so here I go. So I have been drawing and coloring using watercolors a lot. It's been a really good experience to be able to do it again. Something I always loved to do growing up, so very appreciative of this time to be able to do that. But I also think that creativity isn't just about art, isn't just about creating something. It's also within, so and through movement. So I've also been dancing and moving around a lot to music, being creative with my meditations, also practicing new meditations. Reading a lot of books is also a form of creativity to me, so it's all been very inspiring, and yeah, that's how I've been keeping creative at home. The first place I will go to when this gets lifted is the beach, or even just the sea, just jumping into the ocean and just being underwater. That is where I want to be right now. So that is the first place I would go. Panic buy. What did I panic buy? Actually, my sister did the groceries, so we've been staying home. Thank you, Divine. But I think we've been getting a lot of vegetables, panic buying vegetables. I know everyone was going crazy with the TP, but I think we got enough. I don't think we panic bought with the TP. Should have bought a lot more peanut butter though. This quarantine has really shown me what is important in my life. It's taught me to embrace uncertainty. It's taught me to just trust and let go. It's been a blessing. It's been a journey. It's still a journey. But grateful for this journey, for this time to reflect, for this time to focus on myself, on my true goals, focus on who I truly am, behind all the walls and without all the social expectations. So it's really taught me to be my true self. It's taught me that family is very important, family, friends, your connection to Mother Earth, your connection to yourself, and self-love. What I can't live without is, I don't want to say peanut butter again. I never thought I would say this, but I could not live without my phone. It's the only thing that's kept me connected with society and with the world outside of here. So I'm grateful for my cell phone, to be able to call my friends and message the people that I care about and love. Very grateful for that. So I was asked to do a 30-second drawing. I chose the theme connection. All right, so I have a timer here. I'm gonna start now.
This looked better in my mind, but let's go. This looks like a creature. 10 seconds left.
So I'm going to show it this way. This is my representation of connection in 30 seconds. Okay, don't judge me. It looks like a clown, but that is not what I visioned. So I'll just explain what it is really quickly. This is an I for I, myself, and this is an I for your connection or my connection to other beings or to things or to places. These lines are just connections to that being, and this is an outer connection to the whole universe. This is a solar god, the sun. Yeah, that was just a really quick sketch that I just thought of. So it's kind of funny looking now. But thank you for listening to me. Thank you for allowing me to express myself. Take care, be safe, stay sanitized, breathe deeply, and stay positive, and let go of all that anxiety if you can. Breathe into it.